Hi, I'm Mrs. Weiss. I teach Honors Algebra 2 along with Pre-Calculus and Calculus with Applications here at QO. This is my 21st year teaching with MCPS and my 11th year at QO. On the screen is my email address. You can write it down, and I will also show you a place where you can click and email the teacher, and it will generate a new message for you to send me any email. If you'd like to say hi or tell me anything important about your student or about yourself before school starts, please send me an email. I'm looking forward to working with everybody this semester. There are 11 sections of Honors Algebra 2 this semester. So what that means is if your student is in a class with me and their best friend is in a class with another teacher, they can still work together. We do the same exact lesson with the same exact resources, with the same exact homework expectations every day. So regardless of what section your student is in or their friend is in, they can still have a study group, work together, call each other for homework support, no matter who their teacher is. The next link on the screen is our Google Drive folder where we share all resources with students. We use Google Drive because it's easier, one, for us to upload the resources, and two, for students to access, whether they're on their Chromebook, whether they're on their phone or their personal laptop. It's just a seamless integration for them to be able to access the resources for our class. In my MCPS, there's links to that Google Drive folder, and I'm going to show you an example of the folder in a moment. Sometimes you're going to see another Honors Algebra 2 teacher's name as uploading the files, and that's fine because it's the same thing that we did in our class. It's just that we have different jobs on our team, so whether I'm uploading the file or somebody else is, it still applies to our class. So I'm going to show you in my MCPS. On the home screen, you and your student can access, the home page of our course, everything that you need to know. We have the syllabus. Please encourage your student to read it. It's going to be part of their homework on the first day of school. Any of the announcements that I post through my MCPS. Modules will have resource videos and test review videos or substitute lesson plans. Feedback and grades takes you to parent view and student view. And then this daily class notes folder is that Google Drive link. And then here is the way to send me a quick email without having to type my email address. For lunch and learn times, I'm available every day after the first 20 minutes. So your student can come get extra help, review for an assessment, show me missing homework, get help on their homework. I'm available to them every day after the first 20 minutes. So the specific times, depending on our bell schedule, are listed here for them in case they're not sure when they should come to my classroom. Please encourage them to come. There is no reason for them to have to struggle or be stressed. I'm here for them every single day. So this Google Drive folder, this is an example of our notes from last year, only because we haven't started school yet when I'm making this video. But so in the Google Drive folder, the students will have a unit calendar, and then every day by date, we post the class notes, and I will show you what those look like. So first, this is actually our calendar for this year. Students will receive these calendars at the beginning of every unit, so there are no surprises. It has the date, the objective we're doing in class that day, and if there is a video of the lesson, whatever the homework is, and because they get paper calendars, this is a QR code they can scan with their phone if they want to watch the video lesson on their phone. So there are no surprises. There is the assessment dates, that it's no calculator. Since this doesn't say reassessable, there is no reassessment. Only specific quizzes have a requiz available. So if a quiz on their calendar does not say reassessable, there is no requiz. For the daily class notes, I'll just open this one. This is everything we did in class that day. So your students can see what we're writing, they can see the notes. So if they were absent, they should definitely get the notes from here. There's a video of the lesson. They can watch the video while they're absent. They can print these notes if they are in class, but they missed something, or they want to compare their notes with what we posted, or they might have, I know she wrote something down, but I just didn't quite get it. This is where they can come back and reference what was written on the board so they can add it to their unit packet and have it for their resources. And then at the very end, we have the blank homework, which is in their unit packet, and then the answers. Since we don't have a textbook, we put the answers in the back of the daily class notes, just like they would be back in the back of a textbook. Sometimes we show work, sometimes we don't. An expectation is that your student is doing the homework the day it is assigned. It is the critical practice for success in math class so that they know that they can independently do a certain type of problem before an assessment. When they check their answers, if a lot are wrong, they need to see me the very next day at lunch. They shouldn't let all the confusion or all the questions build up. They should see me that very next day, and we can take care of any confusion or misunderstanding that they have. So the process would look like this. Your student comes home, they open their packet, they do the homework, they go to the drive folder, they go to the last page, and they check their answers. While they're checking their answers, they should be using a different color pen to annotate and mark up their homework. So if only the answers are shown, they can mark if they got it right, if they got it wrong. But if we show work and their work doesn't match, they should update their work in the separate color pen to match the answer key so that they have a resource of where they made the mistake, which is where the learning happens, to the correct process that was there. I look forward to working with your student this year. If you have any questions or want to tell me anything, please send me an email, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at Back to School Night.